Hello, welcome to this study. We are learning on how to obtain the error when you are calculating the product of two numbers. So in this video tutorial, which is about numerical analysis, we want to find how you are going to calculate a relative error, absolute error, and the percentage error of the product of 346.1 and 865.2. So we let our x1 to be the first number, which is 346.1, and our x2 to be 865.2. Now, on the general formula, check in my YouTube channel, which I have done for you. So we let our x to be the product of x1 and x2, and then you obtain the product of these two numbers. You multiply the two numbers using your calculator, and the result will be 299,445.72. Now, the error in x1 and the error in x2 is the same because all of them are equal to one decimal place. So it is half of 0.1, and the result is 0.05. So relative error is given by error in x divided by x. You take the absolute value, which is equal to the following. Absolute value of error in x1 divided by x1 plus absolute value of error in x2 divided by x2. So we substitute error in x1, we have obtained as 0.05. x1 is 346.1 plus error in x2 is 0.05 divided by x2, which is 365.2. So when you simplify these two numbers and you add them, you obtain that relative error is equal to 0.000202 equal to 3 significant figure. Then to obtain the absolute error is given by the product of relative error multiplied by x, which is equal to our relative error can be written in the standard form as 2.02 multiplied by 10 power 4 multiplied by our value of x. X is the product of x1 and x2, which is equal to 299,445.72. When you simplify these two, the result is 60.488. That is our absolute error. And finally, our percentage error of these two numbers is given by relative error multiplied by 100. And when you multiply 0.000202 times 100, the result will be 0.0202. So that is how you can obtain the percentage error, the absolute error, and the relative error of the product of two numbers in those simple method steps. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on this field of math numerical analysis on how you obtain the relative error, absolute error, and the percentage error of the product of two numbers in those simple method steps. For more such learning, tune to my YouTube channel so that we may learn together. Remember also to share this contact with the other mathematician so that we may learn together. Bye bye. See you in the next presentation as we keep on learning.